The study and practice of entrepreneurship asks the question of how can we bring something new into the world? So much of the future hasn't been decided yet. Anyone can introduce something that changes that balance. Introduction to Entrepreneurship is an elective that's part of the specialized masters in management. We're teaching the students frameworks and concepts from data-backed studies to bring their idea to life.
You can delve into different aspects of businesses such as supply chain, marketing, entrepreneurship. That's what makes it wonderful.
Week one, we make teams and we start to ideate about what we would look to build if we're creating a business and then develop it throughout the rest of the course.
The students are given a chance to present their venture concepts in front of people with angel investing experience and venture capital experience.
Looking for a really coherent story about the problem they want to solve, the solution they've thought about, and their target customers.
It was very good, presenting in front of a professional VC that has a lot of experience. And it's the perfect thing to finish the course on.
It's not the final pitch that impresses me the most, it's how much progress some people make over such a short period of time.
My understanding of entrepreneurship definitely has developed and grown.
I've learned everything about business, all these technical things, like insight from business side, but also the marketing side.
It's not only for people who want to be entrepreneurs, but it's also helpful in our daily life. I think there is no better way to do things and learn.
The combination of guest speakers, entrepreneurial journey, and academic lectures was a good mix.
Now they have the tools to start designing a life that will be meaningful to them.
It's been the most enjoyable module in the whole MSc program. If you're ambitious and interested in the startup and the VC world, it's a no-brainer.